Hi guys! Welcome to Antalya. Woo! Let's go! Kain lang tayo guys, no? Breakfast lang tayo dito sa may hotel natin. Meron tayong kasamang breakfast buffet sa nabook natin, no, na room. Check natin yung laman sa loob. Some eggs. One is sausage or hotdog. This is mushroom and potato. So they have this combination of orange and tomato, pepino and lemon. For cheese. So ito, hindi ko alam kung ano ito. Ito guys, yung Turkish Delight. Turkish Delight. So this is white raisins, of course honey and butter. Then meron silang madaming olive. So iba't iba ng flavor, iba't iba ng color yan guys. Look at this, oh. Meron silang rose. They have of course chocolate, strawberry, and cherry. Another fruits here. Fruits. So hindi ko alam ito, mukha siyang pudding. This is like yogurt. And they have a lot of sauces guys, oh. These are their cereals. Yeah. So dito sa may beverage section nila, merong mga tea and some snacks there. Okay. Of course, you have your coffee, you have your milk there, and all. So yan guys, no, ganyan yung itsura, no, ng buffet dito sa may Venus Hotel, yung nabook natin dito sa may Pamukkale. And this is how a normal Turkish buffet breakfast looks like. Tara, kain na tayo. So yan guys, no, nakakuha na tayo ng breakfast natin. And ganito yung itsura ng breakfast na kinakain natin dito sa may Turkey. Coffee. And we used honey guys, no, sa coffee natin instead of sugar. Okay, tara. Kain na tayo guys. This is guys the hotel where I stayed at dito sa may Pamukkale, Venus Suite Hotel. And I booked this through Agoda. Hi guys! So nandito na tayo ngayon, no, sa may Antalya. So nakapark lang tayo ngayon sa, kung nakikita, Shell. And we grabbed some bites and local soda nila, no. Uludag fruity. So carbonated siya. And by its look, so it's a peach flavor. So tara, kain muna tayo. Yeah. This is a spontaneous travel, and we'll be back again to the Denzili or Pamukkale after 3 hours of driving. Again guys, ginawa lang natin to, no, just to unwind, to relax, and check again, no, yung mga locations na pwede natin makita dito sa may Turkey. So ito guys, so lakad-lakad na tayo, no, dito sa may Antalya. So ganito yung itsura ng Antalya. I think this is a hotel. So this is the famous spot dito sa may Antalya guys. guys, ito yung famous no na ice cream. So ayan. Guys, grabe oh, tingnan niyo yung ano ko, background ko, sobrang ganda. So kung di ako guys nagkakamali no, itong Antalya pinakamalapit sa Greece or sa Athens no. At least by geographical location or proximity. So that's why I would say no na siguro baka ganito din ang itsura sa Greece pero hindi pa kasi ako nakakarating doon. But most likely since malapit sila, coastline kasi to guys no. So this is how it looks like dito sa may Antalya. And look at that. So from this location guys, ito merong hagdan. At least merong magandang kuhanan ng picture or para makita natin yung buong coastline ng Antalya. Oh my God. Look at this. Ito guys yung itsura ng Antalya. So ito yung sa may Old City. So ito lang yung area kung saan nagpapass by yung tram. Ayan. Isa to guys sa mga na-observe namin dito no. Laging ang daming aso dito and ang lalaki nila. No, actually isa pa to. Yun na, look at that. Okay guys, so I hope no, nabigyan namin kayo ng magandang update, magandang pictures at magandang videos dito sa may Antalya, Turkey. So hanggang sa ulitin, ingat po kayo, stay safe and make sure that nakapag-subscribe na po kayo sa aming channel. Bye-bye!